Who pays your medical bills after you've been injured in a car accident? It's a question I hear a lot at Cantor Injury Law. Let me start by saying the whole system is unfair. It's unfair that you were hurt by someone else's negligence. And now it's unfair that you have medical bills as a result. You're worried about your credit, you're worried about your insurance, you're worried about who pays them. Where does that money come from? How does it work? I'm going to tell you in this video. First, your own insurance may have something called medical pay. And medical pay benefits pay even if you have health insurance that are also paying. If you have med pay on your car insurance, it might be $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $5,000. I've seen it as much as $10,000. In one case, I saw $100,000 because the insurance agent oversold. That was a whole other issue. But med pay will pay your medical bills regardless of fault and regardless of health insurance. That's the insurance industry. It makes little sense, but that's true. That's the one benefit that you should definitely pursue, your health insurance and your med pay. So who pays your bills? Number one is your med pay. Number two is your health insurance. So what's unfair about this is that the jury doesn't get to know anything about insurance, or that you're going to have to pay back your insurance company for what's called subrogation after the case. Now, the general rule in Missouri is you don't have to pay, but the exceptions swallow the rule. So generally it means that if your health insurance pays, 20 grand and then you win 100 grand, you're going to have to pay back a portion of that $20,000. They're going to want it all, but we're going to fight to not pay them all. But you're going to have to pay back some of that money. That's called subrogation. So the first source is your med pay. The second source is your health insurance. The third one, and this is what Cantor Injury Law will do for you, is get you medical care on a lien basis. And then here's how I explain that. So you're injured and you need to get treatment, and you either don't have health insurance or you don't want to use your health insurance. We can send you to doctors and medical providers that are board certified, excellent medical providers, and they assert a lien, kind of like when you build a house and you're making a chimney and the bricklayer may have a lien if he doesn't get paid by the builder, a lien on your house. Same thing for these doctors. They have a lien on your case, and when your case resolves, you have to pay them, and we deal with that for you. So there's a lien statute in Missouri, and it's complicated, but basically, if you have $1 million of insurance and a $100,000 recovery, you say, well, wait a minute, I'm not going to get any money. But if it's all on a lien basis, the most these lien providers can get is half the disposable amount after attorney fees and costs. Easy example, if you get 100 hours, you take out the attorney fees and you take out the costs, let's say you're left with 60, you would get 30 and the medical providers would get $30. So you definitely would still win under the lien laws in Missouri. So the lien laws are your friends if you have a lawyer that knows how to use them. And that's a local lawyer, because these laws are different in every single state, and lawyers screaming on TV that they're huge. It doesn't matter if their lawyer in Florida or California is a great lawyer. You need a lawyer in Missouri that knows how to get your bills paid, that knows how to get you the medical care that you need. So those are the main sources: your med pay, your health insurance, and a lien basis. Those are the three main ways that you can get your bills paid after a collision. We know how to do all of that for you. So if you call Cantor Injury Law right after the accident, we will help you. Don't ever take a little dough from the insurance company. Get the big bucks with Cantor Injury Law. Thanks for watching.